I think it's gonna be a pretty good, and I think it's gonna weigh about 30 pounds.
30, huh? I don't know if it's that big.
Oh, there he is. Yeah. Got a couple of good ones in there. Throwing water. I mean, just one fish doing all that, flipping and flopping. Ooh, that makes a gumbo right there. He's about 14, 15.
Midway's right here. Midway's the thing.
I like the way you got them window wedges on the front. It's dirty. Back in, looking clean there. He ain't there.
Something in there. It's full.
Huh? Oh, we. Not off in it, is it?
Nope. All sound fish.
That's good.
You want them?
Yeah. I want every one of them.
Come help me pull it up in here.
Careful.
Hang on a minute.
That must be a net you made.
I made this one, yeah.
I can look at the fluke. Throwing meat away. You see that?
She was pregnant.
Huh?
It was a big old pregnant female.
Mr. Lloyd, you done filled up our bucket.
Oh, I like it. Throw in with fun. You're a fan. Look at Bradley Smith dead here. Hey, it's clean, boy. Something's gonna be in it too clean. Well, we come up there.
Yeah, he's in there.
Oh yeah, he's there.
Couple in there.
Two of them in there.
Yeah. That's what we was after.
It's about time we see a lot.
That's the net I just built.
Yeah.
take a minute to show y'all something. We do a lot of dressing fish and stuff like that in videos. I'm not going to do that. I've already dressed these fish, but I want to show y'all real quick how these fish get trimmed out to make this best meat that it can be. You can see right here there's a little bit of fat on the outside of this fillet. This is off of one of those bigger fish, and you can see this lateral line right here. So all I'm doing, I'm going to take my knife. I need a pretty sharp knife. Just run that in there, and I'm actually leaving this lateral line. I'm kind of doing it at an angle, and then I'm going to kind of turn at an angle this way, and I'm going to leave it. Now another thing that I also did, I didn't show, but we also bled these fish. We just chopped the tails off of them and bleed them out, and you can see how white this meat turns out being. It's pretty white. So that's the first part of the trim. This is the bottom edge of the fillet, and I'm just going to take it right up there, and I'm just shaving that fat. I'm not wasting anything. That's not good meat. That's fat, and that's actually the reason a lot of people think that big fish don't taste good, is because they leave that on there. You get rid of that, and this right here will eat just like a small fish. There's no problem with that whatsoever. Now I'll flip this one over. Same thing here. I'm just basically shaving this fat off of there is all I'm doing. Maybe I'm not blocking the view from the camera. Well, another thing I like to do, and really ain't got time to do that this evening, is I like to take these fillets, when I get these fillets in this shape, and ice them down. Not in water now. Leave the plug out of the ice chest and ice them down. You see that one's nice and clean. And then the belly meat, there's a little bit of fat on this end. We cut that off. A big fillet like this, we'll take 2 or 3 slices off of it, like so. And then I'll split a big one like that. And then I'll take some slices off of each side, right there like that. That's how I cut mine up. This is the tenderloin side, and just show y'all how I finish this up. You can see the grain in this. This is trimmed out. It got all the red meat off of it. I just like to take and go across the grain and just cut that up in steaks like that right there. That's it. Same thing with this one. That's it. That's this evening's catch right there. Alright guys, that's what it's all about right there. That's why we do it, for the food. We enjoy fishing. We like catching big fish, but we sure do like to eat them too. So that's going to be it for this one. Y'all be sure to follow along the next few videos. We're closing in on 5,000 subs. We're going to do a giveaway at 5,000 subs. We're just a little over 500 from hitting that. We should hit that sometime in June maybe. But that's going to be it for this video. God's Country Hunting and Fishing, keeping it real.